Now, I need a brave soul. A brave, brave soul who makes good sound effects. If you know a brave soul, point to them. Christina! All right, Christina, come on up here. Excellent. Okay, everybody, this is Christina. Christina, so do you know what I mean by sound effects? Noises that sound like things? Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this microphone. I now have the power. And I want you to make sound effects into this microphone as the guys acted out in the scene. So if they were, say, pouring water, what would it sound like? If they were shooting a gun, pow. Comic book gun, but that's okay. If they were stepping on a turtle, squish. All right. Clap for her. Continue to sit and relax and watch what's going on. So move this back and let me get Tony and Mark up on the stage. Tony and Mark, come on up. So what I need now is some activity that these guys could be doing. How about over here? I haven't got much from you guys. An activity they could be doing. Something active.
Okay.
Like
Fishing.
fishing! Boys, that was awesome! Alright, so these guys are fishing, and this is sound effects!
That new tackle box is sure quiet.
Yeah.
Where's the made of?
Well, I oiled it.
How are you doing that?
Oil? I guess I thought I rolled the hinges, but, oh well, cool. Here's your lure. Thank you. Okay. Get your worms. Okay. Are there any here?
Wait. Oh, I squeezed the worms.
Squish.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I dropped the lure.
Clutter.
Really amazing material.
Okay. All right. Anyway. Okay. So, actually, let's get our fishing.
All right.
Here you go. Here's your
Oh,
worms.
wait, I get to drop the worms.
Okay. Drop the worms.
Squish.
They're still squishing.
Yeah.
I think there's still some life in them.
Squish.
Are you ready to go now? Yeah.
All right, you ready to do this? Yeah, I'm ready. Where's the phone? All right.
Okay. Here we go.
All right. Okay, if we take it, do what you do, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Back, forth, and.
Cast.
It's futuristic. Yeah. It's a new model.
I'm saying it right now.
Real.
It's really awesome. Okay.
Does it tell you when you've caught a fish?
I think so.
All right, let's try it. Because I see a fish. Do you see that? It's kind of jumping in the
Oh,
way.
yeah.
It's a quiet, must be a long way out.
It's like a mile out. We gotta be able to hear. Yeah.
You cast that far.
It's another fish, trust me.
Glub, glub, glub.
Must be broken.
That fish is drinking, baby. He drinks like a fish.
Check that one out.
Wow.
What do you think?
Slap.
Feels happy. Feels like a happy fish.
It does. Okay. Let me put this one down.
Does the fish talk too?
Unfortunately, no, it doesn't.
Oh, that'd be cool. All right, I'm going to try this then.
Okay.
Didn't say cast. Oh, the hip didn't even go out. I didn't push the button. I'm going to push the button this time.
Okay.
Cast.
Ah, what a great feeling. That is
one. You got a big one.
Struggle.
That's a mermaid.